Hello friends, welcome to another fresh video of IPR series in Disha and Elevate. Types of patent applications in India. Provisional application. A provisional application is a temporary or non-preliminary application which is filed when the invention is not finalized and is still under experimentation. That is, the inventor requires additional time to improve upon. As Indian patent system accepts the first to file system, helps to establish priority right over the invention and prevents any other related inventions from becoming prior art, and acts as a proof that inventor has a concept and idea of the invention. Thus, it provides 12 months time to finalize the invention and if required can enter the market with patent pending mark. The inventor has 12 months to file the complete specification and enables to file international or conventional application outside India with 12 months priority if required. Ordinary application. An application for patent filed in the patent office without claiming any priority of the application made in a conventional country or without any preference to any other application under process in the office is called an ordinary application or non-provisional application. Non-provisional application is accompanied by a complete specification, which is a techno-legal document. Complete specification should describe the invention in depth, and it should also disclose the best known method of carrying it out and necessary ends with one or more claims which defines the scope of the invention. Complete specification can be filed in two ways. Direct filing. Complete specification is filed first directly with the Indian Patent Office without filing any corresponding provisional specification. Second, subsequent filing. Complete specification is filed subsequent to the filing of corresponding provisional specification and claiming priority from filed provisional specification. Conventional application. A patent application that is filed first in a conventional country and then within the 12 months from the date of priority of the application so made in the conventional country is filed in India is known as conventional patent application. Basically, a conventional application is the patent application which has already been filed in a country other than India, and now the application for the same invention is being made in India. In order to get conventional application status, the applicant is required to file the application along with complete specification in Indian Patent Office within 12 months from the date of first filing of similar application in the conventional country. PCT, International Application. The Patent Cooperation Treaty assists applicants in seeking patent protection internationally for their invention by filing one international patent application under the PCT. Applicants can simultaneously seek protection for an invention in more than 150 countries throughout the world. PCT application does not provide the grant of an international patent. It simply provides a streamlined process for the patent application for processing in many countries at the same time. Applicant can enter into various countries within 30 or 31 months from the date of filing of PCT application, and therefore it gives the applicant more time to assess the viability of the invention. An Indian patent applicant can file PCT application in three ways. First, filing in Indian Patent Office acting as a receiving office. Second, filing directly in the International Bureau of WIPO after filing foreign filing permission from Indian Patent Office. Third, applicant can file in International Bureau of WIPO after 6 months and within 12 months of filing of application in India. PCT international application delays the expenses associated with applying for a patent in various countries. PCT international application provides an international search report citing prior art, which gives an indication to the applicant whether the invention is novel and innovative. PCT international application also provides an option for requesting an international preliminary examination report. The report contains an option on the patentability of the invention. PCT national phase application. The national phase application follows the international phase. It is necessary for an applicant to file an national phase application in each designated country where protection is sought for within the time prescribed under PCT, that is within 30 or 31 months from the priority date. However, this time limit may be increased through national laws by each individual member country. The applicant has to file the international phase application in India within 31 months from the priority date or international application date, which is earlier. For the national phase application, the title, description, drawings, abstract and claims as filed in the international application under PCT shall be taken as a complete specification. All other formalities that are required for filing and processing an ordinary patent application shall apply to a national phase application. The national phase of an PCT application resembles a national filing in a respective country. However, the decision to grant a patent protection in a particular country ultimately rests on the patent office of that country. The filing of a PCT application is much similar than the filing of a normal national phase patent application, since most of the formal requirements are resolved in the international phase itself. Also, the national examiners in some countries most often follows the such report conducted in the international phase. Patent of edition. When an applicant feels that he has come across an invention which is a slight modification of the invention for which he or any other has already applied for or has obtained patent. The applicant can go for patent of addition if the invention does not involve a substantial inventive step. A patent of addition shall be granted only after the grant of parent patent. There is no need to pay separate renewal fee for the patent of addition during the term of the parent patent. A patent of addition shall be granted for a term equal to that of a patent for the parent invention and expires along with the parent patent. Date of filing shall be the date on which the applicant has applied an application for the patent of addition. Divisional patent. A patent is granted only for single patent invention. Therefore, in case a patent application claims more than one invention, the applicant is required on his own or to meet the official rejection on the ground of plurality or distinct invention may divide the claim or the file for a separate patent application. That is known as divisional patent application. As the divisional patent application arises from the parent patent application, hence it has the same priority date as that of the parent patent application. And also the term of patent for the divisional application shall be 20 years from the date of filing of parent patent application. Thanks to your support for my videos. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Disha and Elevate.